Just to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun to ride and sing in a one-horse open sleigh. Bells ring through the snow. In a one-horse open sleigh.
There you go.
Yes, of course. A Rainforest Cafe would have salt water.
Salt water?
Take that call to Mom's name. I better go. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas.
You're gonna enjoy your food, aren't you?
Please approach
You're gonna enjoy your food.
One-horse open sleigh.
Yeah, we're gonna go past the aquarium and take the stairs up. Have you guys ever been upstairs?
Stairs, yeah. No,
It is. It's one of the best places ever. Yeah. Woo! All right, so we're going up the stairs. What is this? It's like Indiana Jones in here. Yeah.
It looks like the Oscar.
Alright. Alright, go get the idol. Rainforest Cafe. Wait.
Adventure time.
Live action, movies, and more. On air, online, all the time. Now, see what's
I have a question. How much is this?
That is $2.95.
I told you.
Well, someone is camera shy-ish.
Oh my god. Is there anything $5?
You realize you're working at a tourist place, right?
There's red velvet, chocolate strip, celebration cookies and cream.
AKA totals $14.85.
$14.85?
I feel really nauseous.
The movie was that good or that bad?
No, the movie was so good. Like it's.
Wait,
I want to
is
be
she the
Tron.
same girl from Twilight?
Who? I don't know. I remember her.
You guys have to try these. It's the Cupcake store.
The Cupcake store.
Alright, well. Alright, why don't we tell our internet viewers, right, what we are doing.
We're watching Tron!
So, we're watching Tron.
And you eat the
The
inside
first
meat.
Tron to complete the night, yes?
You
After watching Tron,
Okay. She didn't even know there was a Tron 1.
And then I convinced her so that there wasn't a Tron 1 and she saw Tron Legacy and that was number 1, but no, she believed me and it was so funny. We were like, Tron.
Oh, you gullible one.